Hello everyone, Big Game Al back here with another Cex and Charity shop hunt. Today we're in Aylesbury. Never been here before. They've got a Cex, they've got some charity shops, and that's about all I know. So let's go check it out and see what we can find. Just come across this place called The Pin. Looks pretty good. Indoor golf courses, games and bar. Everywhere you go these days you find loads of bubble tea places. Must be the new craze. Oh, another day, another market. Who would have thought it? Nice clock tower there. Can't see it through the trees. Yeah, another market to look at. No, it's not a very big one, this one. So, not much here. Well, here we are at our first charity shop. Wood Green. Let's go and check it out. There's a nice little sign there, got a picture of a dog on it. No media. Oh, had to stop for an ice cream and some milkshake. Oh, such a hot day. Oh, here you go, Tommy, just for you. Look at that. Marcus, make sure he sees this Warhammer shop review. Drawing over that, thinking about all the paints he can get. Dead Universe Comics for all you comic fans. I was going to go to Age Concern, but it's shut today, so can't go. Got a massive Salvation Army. Let's go see if that's any good. Got a massive British Heart Foundation here. Let's go see if they're any good. Nope. No, found Cancer Research UK. Just dance for £1. And here we have Oxfam Bookshop. Hopefully they've got some games. Nope. DVDs and books everywhere. Next up, Scope of Aylesbury. Don't check that one out. Oh, I had a good look in the DVDs there, but nothing. Oh, final charity shop is a Florence Nightingale Hospice charity. Let's go and see if they've actually got anything. And that's your lot. Nothing. Well, charity shops are rubbish, and all I've learnt about Aylesbury so far is it's a right dump and nobody can drive, especially park. But yeah, still got Cex. Let's go and check that out. Right, well, we found Cex. Let's go and have a quick look in the window and hopefully get some good stuff inside. Not checked any of the stock here, so it's all a surprise to me. Some nice Mega Drive games here. Don't quite know why that's just in a sleep cover and they're still charging 40 quid for it. Oh well. We've got some big box of Lilac Wars is nice. Not much. Let's go in and have a look. Oh, some amiibos. Let's just check them out quickly. 25 quid, 28 quid for an amiibo. Does look nice though. Well, best thing about Aylesbury is probably the shopping mall. Other than that, not a lot here. Well, what is there to say about Aylesbury? Not too much. Here's my pickup. Yeah. Nothing, didn't find anything. There weren't that many charity shops, and yeah. Cex was alright. Massive queue for some reason. And couldn't get all the footage in there, but I got what I could. But hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully the people of Aylesbury will learn how to drive. Other than that, I had a nice ice cream there. It was lovely. So yeah, that just leaves me to say thank you all for watching, and hopefully next time we'll find some stuff. Bye for now.